Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to make this part in catia software. Okay, so let's understand from where we can easily develop this part. Okay, so what I'm doing here. Okay, so the first thing I'll make this flange. Okay, then after we'll say about the remaining features. Okay, so go back to the catia. Okay, I'll close all these windows. Yeah, catia. Close the default window. And since we are making a part, click on the start mechanical design part design, give a part name, click on ok. Okay, so the various step, I'll use the position sketch on the top plane, then the axis, click on ok. So I'll make a slot here like this way. Okay, now I'll select the origin on this point, this line like this way. And what is the length? Length is given 85. Double click 85, enter. And what is the radius? So we'll have to make a things like this, 85 divided by 2, enter. What is the radius? You can see that 15, enter. Okay, this is what it seems like. And we have two holes here. The hole dimension is just given 13. Okay, 13, enter. 13, enter. Now exit. Now use the pad command to add the material. The thickness, okay, it is not given anywhere, so we'll have to imagine it. Okay, we will consider it as 10 only, enter. The first feature that is done, and here you can see the slot. The slot depth is not given. You can see that the 40 is the length, so we will do that slot also. Okay, which is very simple. Click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on ok, and choose a rectangle option. Okay, like this way, and then just drag it a little downwards. Fine. Okay, this depth is not given. Let's consider it as a 3, and from here to here I'll consider it as 20. So from here to here I'll consider it as 40. Okay, I don't have to constrain this line. Okay, exit, pocket, and make sure up to next. And the second limit also I'll specify as up to next. Click on ok. Okay, this is how I achieved the first feature. So now let's talk about this hole. This not hole, it is a cylinder. Okay, the first cylinder and second cylinder. So let's make the first cylinder. Okay, what is the value? You can see that the center mark, from the center mark to this edge, it is given as 25. Okay, let's do that. So click on the position sketch, select yeah, select this plane, click on ok. Okay, let's make one circle. The center point which is given, right? So sorry, from this edge to this center, which is given as the 25, right? Fine. So what is the diameter of this cylinder? It is given here 34. So double click 34, enter. Now exit. Now you can see that the front view, here it is the front view, right? So go back to the front view, here is also. Okay, now you have made a sketch here, so you need to extrude it up to 60, but from this side it is not having any value, so we'll consider it as okay. Here I want to add 60, click on preview. This side it is okay, but the opposite side I'll have to have some more extrusion, so let's consider it as 20. Click on preview, click on OK. Okay, now somewhat it is matching up to here, right? So we need to have a wall. Okay, third feature. Okay, how can we achieve that? The thickness of that wall also not mentioned anywhere. Okay, okay, we'll make this cylinder also. Okay, so I think you're having a chamfer, so chamfer dimension is not given. Let's consider that as 5. Click on preview, click on OK. We'll say about it later. We can change at any point. Okay, 3. Okay, there is no any aberration. It's fine. So click on the position sketch. Select this plane. Click on OK. Let's make a one more circle at this center. Okay. What is the diameter of that? It is also 34. But this case, okay, I can say that okay, from here to here it is 100. Okay, so from here to here it is 20. So 100 minus 20 which is 80, right? So select this point and this edge, specify the distance as 80. That's fine. Now exit, pad it, reverse direction, and I'll make the things like this time. Okay, add the chamfer of 3 mm for this also. Okay, go back to the front view. Okay, it is what you are seeing it similarly, right? Okay, 20 mm pad. Okay, I think I can't able to understand here. Yeah, okay. So this wall thickness is not given. Okay, let's consider it as 10. Okay, okay, let's make that wall. Okay, click on the position sketch. Okay, okay, click on the position sketch. Select this plane, click on OK. Okay, this length, the question is, which is also not given. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have the things like that, but I don't know any angle here. How can I? complete it. Okay, let's trim it. The first thing we'll trim it. From this point I'll keep it as 25, not enough. 35, not enough. Yeah, it seems like 30. So from this point to this is also 30. Okay, next. What next? I'm thinking about it. Okay, those dimensions are not given properly. Okay, what I want to do is I'll just take one line command. Okay, you can turn off the snaps, or else you can even turn it on. There's no issue with that. And coincidence. So this, right click, coincidence. And from here to here, I'll give it as 80. Okay, coincidence and coincidence. From this point to this, I'll keep a few few gap like that. Okay, seems like similar to here, right? Or else, okay, not similar. It seems like more. Reduce this value. Now it seems like okay. Now exit. I'll use the pad command again. So okay, click on new. I will click on this sketch. We have some open contours. Okay, click on the trim tool, and I want to make uh, the trimmed part as a construction. Okay, okay. Set this entity. Set this. Make it construction like that. Exit. Now use the pad option. It will work now. So 10 is the value, but you have to use the mirror extend option. You will have to give half value. Click on OK. Okay. The next feature would be I can see that. So this is the side view, right? Okay. So we're having this feature, and this middle wall feature. So from here, you need to have this feature. So click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Okay, what I do, I'll just extract a few edges of this on this. That's it. Select a line like this. Okay, and a line from here to yeah here. Yeah. Okay, fine. Let it be. Now here are the dimensions. So from the center of this to this, there's a distance of 15. Enter. So this is 77 from here to here, which is 77. Fine. So this is 10 mm, okay, which is already like that. Okay. The length is okay, that's not a matter. Okay, but this is not tangent either. There is somewhat offset. We don't know the value. So let's consider it as 2. Okay. Select this line and press and hold the shift button and select this. We'll be having things like that. Let's give it as 3 value. Okay, that's fine. Now one more thing, select this point. Okay. Okay, what I want to do is, okay, let's connect this both ends like this way, and then from this edge, I know the distance 25 it is. Okay, now this sketch is constrained. Okay, we have things like this, we'll have to trim them. Okay, let's go back to the normal trimming. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I think we'll have to trim this, this, this is also we need to trim. This. Okay. Okay, now exit it. Okay. This thickness, it is even 8 mm. So pad it. Okay, which is saying that. Okay, double click on the sketch. Double click on the sketch. Wait. Okay, control Y. Sorry. Add a definition. What it is? Where is my sketch? Which was a drawing, right? Oh man. Side view. Click on the position sketch. Select this plane. Click on OK. Let's draw a profile from here to here. Okay. Okay, let's make it as vertical line. I'll delete this and this. Okay, now I'll trim them off. Okay, I'll use the edge of this and edge of this. That's it. This is 10. That's fine. And from this to this, consider it as 3. Okay, from this to this, we'll have 15. From this to this, we have 77. Okay, now from this line to this line, there's a distance of 25. Okay, and now what I do, I'll just click on this point and this circle, right click, coincidence. Okay, now every sketch is constrained. Let's trim off the unnecessary line. Control Z. Okay, we need this line, but as a construction. Okay, now now my sketch is purely closed sketch. Okay, which is not. You can see that here. So okay, now I can constrain it. Construction. Now exit. Okay, everything is fine. My sketch seems like okay. So pad 8 mm. Preview. Okay. Okay. The next thing. Okay, we'll have to make a few things here as well. Click on the position sketch. Select this plane. Click on OK. And 3 mm. What is this thickness? It is not given again. So let's take things like that. Okay, select this edge or else this point on this point. Okay, delete it. Select this point and then this point, right click, coincidence. Okay, what is the thickness? It is 10 again. Okay, okay, let it be. I'll take the project edge option again. I'll trim the remaining area like this way. Okay, okay, let it be. So trim, go back to the normal option. Now exit, pad it. What is the length? What is the length of extrusion? You can see that. -38 8, which is nothing but 30. So we'll replace it as 30. Preview. Click on OK. Okay. So okay, let's change a little thing in this sketch. Okay, exit. Okay, let it be. I'll select one line command. Control Z, line, and select this line and this point. I'll keep 2 mm gap. Okay, not enough. 3 mm. That's fine. Now use the trim command again and select this line, this line. Exit. That's it. Okay, you can deactivate. Okay, okay, this is fine. Okay, any more features left? Yeah, you can see that is a small. Okay, we'll have to make a small extrusion. Okay, let's do that. Click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Okay, not that. Okay, how can we make this revolve feature? Angle is not given, which is making little headaches. Okay, yeah, okay, I got an idea. Let's implement that. I want the center point at the center of the circle, concentric. Okay, I don't have any angle so that I can even maintain any. So let's follow 45 degrees. Okay, 14 dia. What I will do here, I'll use okay, I can't use. Okay, let's make it as a node construction. Okay, delete this line. Let's make a one more line. Okay, okay, that is constraint. Okay, okay, this length I'll keep it as 50. More enough. 245, even 40 enough. Exit. I can create a plane now. Okay, which seems like the angle is more. Okay, I'll keep it as 40 only. Now exit. Is fine. Now I can create a plane. Click on the plane creation tab and you will be having an option called normal to curve. Okay, select this curve and select this point. Okay, not here. Normal to curve. Select the curve. Okay, we have created a plane at this point. Click on OK. Okay, plane creation in catia is a little difficult task. Okay, okay, okay. Let's make a circle here and select this point. This circle, right click, concentricity, and the diameter is nothing but 40. Exit and pad it and make sure up to next. Sorry, up to next. Click on preview. Click on OK. Okay, you can hide this line and this plane. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope we have achieved up to now everything. Okay, we need to give a few fillets. Click on the fillet, and I want to give a fillet here. Yeah, one is here. I'll keep it as okay. This click on OK. Okay, now we'll have to make a holes. Okay, that's not a big deal. Click on the plane. Click on OK. Specify the hole diameter. So what is the hole diameter? Which is 18. So double click 18, enter, select this circle and select this, right click, concentricity, exit. Okay, we'll create a one more circle here also. Okay, so which is nothing but 18 again. Select this circle and select this round reference, right click, concentricity, exit, pocket it and up to next. The second limit also I'll keep up to next. Click on OK. Okay, as you can see, holes are being created. Now one more help we have to create here. Click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK, make a circle, select this circle and this circle, right click, concentricity, what is the diameter of that hole? Okay, not mentioned anywhere. Okay, we will give it as 8. Click on exit and the depth is also not given. We'll have to consider it again. So not up to next dimension. So 30 is more than I think. Let's reduce it to 25. Click on OK. That's it, guys. That's how you can model this part. Okay, so any more mistakes that you have found in this video, please let us know. Okay, so but the basic ideology is you can make a part like this way, and if you find anything helpful in this video, so please do subscribe to my channel and have a good day.